Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at AAVE, its valuations against Bitcoin. If you like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, AAVE has had quite a day. Even now, it is still having quite a day. At some point, we rallied, 16% against Bitcoin today. And that's something that's not something to trifle with, really. And when you look at it right now, we're currently up maybe like 7% against Bitcoin right now. So I would still call that a win in some regards. And we've been talking about this move for AAVE quite a while, and it starts with the weekly. We saw that back in June, actually. AAVE did bounce off the 50-week moving average, something that we did anticipate would happen as a result of the last two support tests of the 50-week moving average, along with this area here. In addition to that, AAVE does have a relationship with the 20-week moving average as well, where it holds it as support. And we thought that if it did break the 50-week moving average, it should then go ahead and break the 20-week moving average, or at least that's what we hope. And we've been there ever since. Ever since July 5th, the week of July 5th, we have been constantly testing the 20-week moving average. And today, at the very least, we are making the move out of the 20-week moving average. There's only one thing in its way, and it's this yellow line here. You can see that we've had multiple resistance points of this level, this descending resistance line for AAVE, and it seems like we're there yet again today, or at least for this week. Now, there are 3 days left in this week. We could continue the rally. AAVE can continue the rally to then break this resistance. But at the moment right now, it seems like we got rejected off of it, and it kind of shows why we have such a giant wick for today. We came up to this line, got rejected, came back down. I guess it's a little easier if you flip it to the hourly as an example. Yeah, here we go, right on the money on the hourly. We see this giant rally for AAVE. We hit resistance, we come back. So I mean, that's something that you could just look at the hourly. I don't necessarily look at that, and so this is where we are. What we did think might happen is that we can continue to hit resistance, but also keep the 20-week moving average at support, and eventually we will come to a breakout, whether that's to the upside or the downside. That question though is something we have yet to kind of figure out at the very least. I mean, it's anyone's game at this point, and it's entirely up to Bitcoin. Another thing why you could see that Bitcoin is up 3%. It's ever since Bitcoin went green, well, we saw the retracement of altcoins, right? Ethereum was up like 5% today, but it came back down. Chainlink is currently bleeding. Basic attention token was another one where we rallied like 5% for the day, and then as soon as Bitcoin got the reins back, altcoins kind of retraced. And so you're seeing the same kind of effect with AAVE, and now we're just up 6.72% rather than 15. With that said, another thing to keep in mind is the anticipation of the Bitcoin breakout. And what do I mean by that? I'm talking about the 20-week moving average for Bitcoin. People, I am assuming right now, are thinking that Bitcoin is going to break the 20-week moving average soon. Maybe they think it's this week, maybe it's next week, but they do think it's soon enough that they're wanting to front run the altcoin market. And this is where we're seeing, because we know once Bitcoin gets back above the 20-week moving average, altcoins are going to do better. And so why not accumulate at a lower range here rather than waiting to pay for a higher price for a confirmation for something that they already think is going to happen? This is a very dangerous game to play. But if you're going to do it, I'm not going to stop you. And you're going to either turn out to be a genius or not. For me, I am holding my cards close to the chest. Bitcoin is up, to almost 3% for this week. We are inching closer and closer to the 20-week moving average. And every week that closes, the 20-week moving average is getting closer to us, whether we like it or not. And right now, it's about a 6% rally from where we are right now in order to get to the 20-week moving average. If Bitcoin gets rejected off the 20-week moving average, I expect a lot of altcoins to take a very bad hit. And it will be somewhat of a reality shock to many for those who have front run the market. You're going to see I would say Ethereum, Chainlink, Uniswap, Basic Attention Token, Litecoin, Cardano, all these altcoins are going to take a very bad hit should Bitcoin get rejected off the 20-week moving average, which is why I think it's a dangerous game to play because the risks are quite high. And we've never seen Bitcoin break the 20-week moving average the first time around. The last time it's done that was last year, but every single time outside of that, we've had rejections off the 20-week moving average when bouncing off the 50. So with that said, it's kind of an iffy game to play. Definitely for someone not for the faint of heart for people to do this. But if you're going to do it anyway, go ahead. All I'm saying with AAVE here is that it's showing quite a lot of support at the 20-week, and we're going to be seeing a breakout in the future, in the short-term future. I'm pretty sure that that's going to happen. Again, we see this downward trend of support, resistance, and we see the 20-week moving average being held as support. A breakout is going to happen, within the month of August, I would call it, because you could see where if you zoom in, you could see where the 20-week moving average is right now. And you could see the trend is slightly rising. But if you keep this, then like it'll cross in September. So sometime between now and September, we're going to see some kind of breakout from AAVE. Whether that's to the upside or the downside, again, can't be so sure. But anyways, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.